Plant FAQs. Ceanothus Concha, California Lilac. As a passionate gardener, I have always been captivated by the beauty and versatility of Ceanothus Concha. This evergreen shrub, commonly known as California lilac, brings a vibrant splash of blue to any garden, making it a favorite among garden enthusiasts. In this article, I will share my knowledge and experiences with Ceanothus Concha, covering everything from planting and care to pruning and blooming seasons. What is Ceanothus Concha? Ceanothus Concha is a species of flowering shrub native to California. Known for its striking blue flowers and dense foliage, it is a popular choice for gardeners looking to add color and texture to their landscapes. This hardy plant is drought-tolerant and thrives in well-drained soil, making it an excellent option for gardens in various climates. Planting Ceanothus Concha is a straightforward process, but it requires some attention to detail to ensure the shrub thrives. Here's how you can plant it. Choose the right spot. Select a location with full sun exposure. Ceanothus Concha needs plenty of sunlight to bloom profusely. Prepare the soil. Ensure the soil is well drained. Sandy or loamy soils are ideal. If your soil is heavy clay, consider amending it with compost to improve drainage. Dig the hole. Dig a hole that is twice the width of the root ball and the same depth. Planting. Place the shrub in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Fill the hole with soil, pressing gently to remove air pockets. Watering. Water the plant thoroughly after planting to help it establish roots. When to plant Ceanothus Concha? The best time to plant Ceanothus Concha is in the fall or early spring. Planting during these seasons allows the shrub to establish its roots before the extreme temperatures of summer or winter. In mild climates, fall planting is often preferred as it takes advantage of the winter rains to help the plant settle in. How to care for Ceanothus Concha? Caring for Ceanothus Concha is relatively easy, as it is a low-maintenance plant. Here are some tips to keep your shrub healthy. Watering. Once established, Ceanothus Concha is drought-tolerant and requires minimal watering. Water deeply but infrequently during prolonged dry periods. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilizing. This shrub does not require regular fertilization. However, an annual application of a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring can promote healthy growth. When to prune Ceanothus Concha? Pruning is an essential part of maintaining the shape and health of your Ceanothus Concha. The best time to prune is immediately after flowering. This timing allows you to remove spent flowers and shape the shrub without disrupting the next season's buds. How to prune Ceanothus Concha? Pruning Ceanothus Concha involves removing dead or damaged branches and shaping the plant to maintain its aesthetic appeal. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sterilize tools. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to prevent the spread of disease. Remove dead wood. Cut away any dead, diseased, or damaged branches first. Shape the plant. Trim back branches to maintain the desired shape and size. Avoid cutting into old wood, as Ceanothus Concha does not respond well to hard pruning. Light pruning. Perform light pruning annually to encourage bushier growth and more flowers. What season does Ceanothus Concha bloom? Ceanothus Concha typically blooms in the spring. The blooming period can start as early as March and continue through May, depending on the climate and specific growing conditions. How to propagate Ceanothus Concha? Propagation of Ceanothus Concha can be done through cuttings or seeds. Cuttings are the most reliable method. Here's how you can propagate it using cuttings. Select healthy stems. Choose non-flowering stems in late spring or early summer. Take cuttings. Cut 4 to 6 inch sections of the stem, removing the lower leaves. Prepare cuttings. Dip the cut ends in rooting hormone to encourage root development. Plant cuttings. Place the cuttings in a well-draining potting mix and keep them moist until roots develop. What to plant with Ceanothus Concha? Ceanothus Concha pairs well with other drought-tolerant plants such as lavender, rosemary, and sage. These companion plants not only complement its blue blooms, but also share similar soil and watering requirements, creating a harmonious garden design. Ceanothus Concha is a stunning addition to any garden. With proper planting, care, and maintenance, it will reward you with vibrant blue flowers and lush foliage year after year. Happy gardening!